Yo, what's happening guys? I'm here with Apollo Jackson today. We're going to do some magic photography in Brisbane City, but first, this is a little contraption we got. So, went down to Bunnings today, picked up some double-sided tape, also went down to, I think, Woolworths. We got some metal coat hangers. We're going to tape some cards to them and make it look like you're throwing them out of your hands.
This is going to be sick.
So let's get it. We haven't tried anything like this in a long time, so it's going to be good to get back out in the city and
make some content. Let's go!
We got these sick-ass lights. And these are the colours we're going to be choosing for tonight. We're going to use the orange and teal, so
let's go! Bleed.
She want to chat about network, Cartier bracelets network.
We get a little bit of double-sided tape. We're going to put it around the wire, like so. Hopefully evenly spread them out. Chuck a card like that. Another one like that. Oh, that's pretty sick, but obviously cover up the middle.
Man, I don't play. Man, I don't wait.
Oh, I normally say no camera tricks, but this is all camera tricks.
This is all camera tricks. Oh, look at that. You wouldn't even know.
Sick, we're on our way to Brisbane now. Just finished making these bad boys. This is gonna make me look like a real magic.
All for the camera tricks, you know? I bet you could do this in real life, but for our sake of the photo, I think this is going to be a much better option for tonight. So we're going to head to Brisbane now, so we'll see you there.
I go outside, I feel staring, I look the judgment. My shit is dusty, I look disgusted.
Let's drive, I gotta put it in reverse.
Damn Pat, look at him go. He's reversing it like fucking 100 Ks.
So when I started driving, I was only allowed to drive up and down this driveway.
So he's got it in the bag now.
In the bag.
Both ends, don't ride no trends. Man, I only slid once, she ain't been the same since. Rose petals on my chin.
That's what you want, that's what you want.
Duck diving in the Thames, spring cleaning in the
We're gonna get Apollo Jackson out here, he's gonna get some cards, he's gonna do the actual flick. So we're gonna see what shot looks better, the one on the wire or the one where he actually flicks the cards. So this is what we've been waiting to see all day.
My shit is dusty, I look disgusted.
This has got 52. Played this a lot as a kid, so I'm very, very good at it.
And flicked them out of his hand and looked nothing like how it did on that. So I'm very glad we spent all day putting these contraptions together.
Pretty glad he did that too. So I only have to pick this up once.
We don't have to do this 200 times tonight.
My shirt is dusty, I look disgusting. Ladies should love it. They wanna kill me, don't need a good.
We found some sick neons out here in Brisbane. We're gonna get some cool reflection photos, some candid
My shirt is
photos.
dusty, I look disgusting. Ladies should love it.
Give me that Jay-Z, Rick James, James Brown, Rick Ross, that Mercedes, switch lanes, went wrong, head on, I'm gone. Smoke 80, I feel strange, gon' head shake this like Brady, I know that, you know that I'm wrong.
My shirt is dusty, I look disgusting. Ladies should love it. They wanna kill me, don't need a good. Catch you in public. I go outside, I feel them staring, I look the judgment. My shirt is dusty, I look disgusting. Ladies should love it.
Yo, it's been a good night shooting with 7 Zills and Apollo Jackson. We're gonna head back to the Gold Coast now. How do you think tonight went, 7 Zills?
I think we got so many good shots. We went to about 4 locations, and I reckon every single location we got some amazing shots. So.
How do you reckon it went, Apollo?
Man, it was sick. We had to be super sneaky in some of the places we went to, but it was so worth it, and I can't wait to see the finished edit.
Awesome. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.